Hello children, welcome to my channel English Lessons by Nupur Bakshi. In the previous video, we had done the stanza 1 of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Today we are going to study stanza 2. In the stanza 2, first I will read the stanza for you and then I will tell you the meanings of the difficult words. Then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that passing there, had warned them really about the same. So in stanza 2, before that, just recap the first stanza, in which the poet is talking about the dilemma, the confusion that he had when he was confronted with the two roads that were diverging in different directions. And then he tried to analyze which road he should take. In stanza 2, he is saying that now I will have to make a choice. In this stanza, just as fair, okay, just as fair means that both the paths looked similar. Just as fair means they both were similar, they both were fair enough. And in the second line, you can see the word better claim. Better claim is a better path. So finally, he will have to make a choice in choosing a better road which he feels will be better for him. And then in the third line, the word wear means usage. So once, for example, you must have heard about the phrase wear and tear. So wear means when you keep on using a thing, it wears down. It loses its shine. It loses its charm. So wear means usage. And in the next line, you can see the word worn. So worn is damaged. Okay, when we wear suppose we wear clothes, the new clothes, they have a different shine in them and then they become worn out. Worn out means they become dull. Yes, so the poet in this stanza, he says that he inspected both the roads and they both appeared as fair, just as fair. They both appeared same. Then he chose the other one. So he finally made a choice and he chose the other one. He thought that maybe this one is a better road for him because it was looking grassy. So you can see in the next line, it says, the third line, it says that because it was looking grassy, it was looking greener, and that is why I chose this road. And it wanted wear. So now here you can see that either we can say that the road was worn out, and we can say that it wanted wear. That means it had not been used. If it is not used, it has its own shine. And it wanted wear means it did not have anybody who had gone on that road, and that is why it had not been damaged, and it was all grassy. Then he says that it was less used because nobody had walked on that road. It was not used, and that is why it was looking more greener to him. And then when I walked on this road, when I finally chose this option, when I finally chose this road to walk on, I could see that it was damaged about the same. It was not different from the previous road that I had left. Initially it was looking greener to me, but as I walked ahead, I saw that it was the same, it was similar to the road that I had left. Okay, and so that is why in the last two lines you can see that though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So it was not different from the previous one. I thought that this road would be greener, but after walking a couple of miles, I saw that it was similar. It was similarly worn out. It was similarly damaged. So there was not much of a difference between the two roads. Now let us see the literary device in stanza 2. So again, the rhyming scheme, it is A, B, A, A, B. As I told you that the rhyming scheme is same in all the four stanzas, which is A, B, A, A, B. So the first word, third word and fourth word, fair, where and there. It is the similar sound, and in the second and the fifth line claim and same. That is why the rhyming scheme is A B A A B. Then there is the repetition, which is alliteration. So you can see that when alliteration is what? When consonant sounds are repeated. So when the word is starting with a consonant sound and the similar sound is repeated in the consecutive words, it is called alliteration. So here you can see that wanted were. In the third line, the last two words wanted were. So the were sound, the were consonant sound is being repeated. And then you can see the fourth line which says though, as for that, the passing. So though, that, the, there. So this the sound is being repeated in the fourth line. This is alliteration. And then again, as in stanza 1, here also you can see visual imagery. You can imagine the whole scene in your mind. And then the next literary device is personification. So as I told you, personification is when we assume, when we feel a non-living thing behaving like a human being. We personify that particular non-living thing, and that particular phrase can be said in using personification. So here the road wanted where. That means the road wanted somebody to walk on. That means the road had a feeling. Here the poet is saying that the road was wanting that somebody should walk on that particular road to make it wear down. So that is why it is assumed to be thinking like a human being, and here it is personification. And then it is simile. The next literary device is simile. So in the first line you can see just as fair. So as is used that both the roads were as fair as each other. So here it is a direct comparison that both the roads were just as fair. Okay, so this is the meaning of stanza 2. In my next video, I will share the meaning of stanza 3. Till then, stanza 1 and stanza 2 just recapitulate. In the first stanza, the poet was given a choice between two roads, and out of the two roads, he chose the other one which was appearing to be greener. And as soon as the poet started walking on that road, he found that no, it is similar to the road that I had left earlier. So this was the overall meaning of the two stanzas. So I hope you have understood the literary devices, you have understood the difficult words, and you have understood the metaphorical meaning of these two stanzas. So in my next video, I will share the meaning of stanza 3 and stanza 4. Till then, whatever doubts you have, you write it in the comments section and I will clear your doubt. Till then, take care.